Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to another stitch tutorial. Today I'm working on just the basic single crochet. This is the American single crochet. Two people asked me on Threads to work on a simple tutorial for this single crochet stitch. So I figured I will go ahead and work on this. There are quite a few others online. This is my version of it. Nothing new, so you will learn just the basic single crochet. I will be using a chunky yarn. I always recommend, if you're a beginner, to use chunky yarn because it builds up pretty fast and it gives you confidence in what you're doing because you can see the fruits of your work immediately. So for this tutorial, I'm going to recommend you use a 9mm hook. I'm using Hometown USA. It's a bulky yarn, only 81 yards, but we're going to be working on just a small swatch. This is Stowe Sugar Maple. It's a beautiful color. You can use any color that you want, okay? So this is a beginner-friendly tutorial. So let's go ahead and put this swatch. I made this earlier on to show you. That's what it looks like if you use a chunky yarn. If you use a 4-ply fingering yarn, it's going to look slightly different because it's thinner yarn. So you will see the fruits of your work immediately if you are a beginner. And I'm going to work a little slow on this one. For this swatch, I'm going to be chaining just 13 stitches. To get started, to make a loop, go ahead and take, this is the short end of your yarn, take the long end and loop it over, and then you have a loop there. Lift it up, take your pinching fingers, go through that hole and pull through just like that, okay? And then take your hook and insert it in the loop. This is adjustable, so pull it close. You are going to chain 13, and to chain you're going to take your hook, yarn over, loop it and pull through, yarn over, loop it, pull through. That's 2, and we're going to do 13 of these chains, okay? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. That's what your chain looks like. To begin your actual first row, we are going to skip this chain and we are going to work into this chain, the second chain from the hook. You do not count this particular chain on your hook. So go into the hook, into the chain, sorry, under the first chain, yarn over, pull through. You should have 2 stitches on your hook, and then you're going to pull through all these 2 at once. So yarn over, turn it around and pull through all 2. That is your single crochet. Go into the next stitch, under, yarn over, pull through. You should have 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through both loops, and you're going to continue this until you get to the end of your row. Once you get there, you should have a total of 12 stitches. Okay, this is what your first row looks like, and you should have 12 stitches. So count. If you're a beginner, counting is really important so you don't lose side of what you're working on. So this is your first chain. You should see kind of V's when you turn your work just slightly. You have these V's at the top, and those are your single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. You should have 12 stitches. That's what the back looks like, and that's what the front looks like. We're going to be working back and forth. To go into row 2, chain 1, turn your work around, and you are going to work underneath both loops. If you turn your work like this, there's a V here. This is the first, the back, and the front. This is the front, that's the back. You're going to go under both of these. So after your chain 1, this is your first stitch. Put your hook through, yarn over, pull through. You should have 2 stitches, 2 loops, pull through both loops. Go back into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. So you're working underneath the front and the back loops here. So you should have 2. When you go under like that, it shows 2. And we are going to work to the end of the row. Once again, you should have a total of 12 stitches. If you are missing one, I suggest you go back and try it. If you're missing stitches, then your work is going to be crooked. Whatever project you're working on will not turn out the way you want it to. This is a pretty simple stitch. This is what it looks like. And if you look at my bigger swatch, that's what it is right there. Let's work on one more row. I'll put this aside. Once again, chain 1 and turn your work around. Once again, we're working underneath these 2 loops. So this is your first stitch. Go underneath, yarn over, pull through. You should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And we are going to repeat this until the end of the row. It's a pretty simple stitch, and as you can see, as you use a bigger hook and a bigger yarn, your work builds up really fast. For beginners, this boosts your confidence and helps you see the fruits of your work immediately. So that's what it is like. This is your single crochet stitch, basic US Thumbs single crochet. I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and support me. Share with your friends and family, and I will see you at my next tutorial. Thank you.